Ever wondered how engines work? Those metal marvels that power our world are intricate and fascinating. Now imagine holding that power in the palm of your hand with a miniature engine model. Building a model engine is like taking a journey into the heart of mechanics. It's a hands-on adventure where you get to assemble tiny parts and watch as they come together to form a working machine. The satisfaction of seeing your miniature engine roar to life, or at least spin a tiny crankshaft, is incredibly rewarding. It's a testament to your patience, skill, and understanding of how things work. But it's more than just putting pieces together. It's about understanding the core principles of engineering and mechanics. It's about problem solving and the joy of creation. And trust me, the feeling of accomplishment when your little engine sputters to life is unbeatable. Beyond the sheer fun of it, building model engines offers a whole host of benefits. It's a fantastic way to exercise your brain and improve your fine motor skills. Those tiny parts require a steady hand and a keen eye. For those who love to tinker, it's an opportunity to delve into the intricate world of mechanics. You'll gain a deeper understanding of how engines function, from the crankshaft to the pistons. But it's not just about technical skills. Model building teaches patience, problem solving, and attention to detail. It's a meditative process that can be incredibly relaxing and rewarding. And let's not forget the sense of accomplishment. Completing a model engine, especially a complex one, is something to be proud of. It's a tangible representation of your hard work and dedication. Before you dive headfirst into the world of miniature engines, you'll need the right tools and materials. Don't worry, you won't need a whole machine shop. Most model engine kits come with detailed instructions and all the necessary parts. But there are a few essential tools you'll need to ensure a smooth and enjoyable assembly process. A good set of small pliers, screwdrivers, both flathead and Phillips, and tweezers are essential for handling those tiny parts. A magnifying glass will be your best friend when dealing with the tiniest components. You'll also need some basic adhesives like superglue or epoxy to secure certain parts, and a well-lit workspace with a clean flat surface is crucial for a successful build. Now comes the exciting part, putting your engine together. While the specific steps may vary depending on the model, here's a general guide to get you started. First, read the instructions carefully. I know it sounds obvious, but trust me on this one. Familiarize yourself with the parts, the steps, and any special notes before you begin. Next, start with the base. This usually involves assembling the engine block and crankshaft. Take your time and ensure everything is properly aligned before moving on. Then install the pistons and connecting rods. This is where your tweezers will come in handy. Carefully attach the connecting rods to the pistons and then insert them into the cylinders. After that, assemble the cylinder head and valve train. This part can be a bit tricky as it involves installing the valves, springs, and rocker arms. Refer to the instructions closely and take your time. Finally, add the finishing touches. Once the main engine assembly is complete, you can add the carburetor, spark plugs for display only, and other external components. Section 5. Pro tips for engine building success. Building model engines can be a test of patience and precision, but these pro tips will help you along the way. First, organize your parts. Before you start, sort the parts into small containers or trays. This will save you a lot of time and frustration when searching for that one tiny screw. Next, use the right tools for the job. Trying to force a screw with the wrong screwdriver is a recipe for disaster. Invest in a good set of precision tools to make your life easier. Also, work in a well-lit area. Good lighting is essential for seeing those tiny details and avoiding mistakes. A bright desk lamp or a magnifying lamp can make a world of difference. Finally, take your time. Don't rush the process. Enjoy the journey and the satisfaction of seeing each part come together. Section 6. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Even seasoned model builders encounter hiccups along the way. Here are some common mistakes and how to steer clear of them. First, not reading the instructions thoroughly. This is a rookie mistake that can lead to major headaches down the road. Always take the time to understand the instructions before you start. Next, forcing parts together. If something doesn't fit, don't force it. Double-check the instructions, make sure you're using the right parts and try again. Then, losing small parts. Those tiny screws and springs have a knack for disappearing. Work over a clean, uncluttered surface and consider using a tray or mat to catch any stray parts. And finally, using too much glue. A little dab will do you. Too much glue can make a mess and even damage your model. Section 7. Embrace the fumbles. They're part of the fun. Listen, I've been building things my whole life, and let me tell you, mistakes happen. You might drop a tiny screw or accidentally glue two pieces together that weren't supposed to be. Don't sweat it. The beauty of model building is that it teaches you to problem solve and improvise. Lost a part? See if you can fashion a replacement from spare parts or household items. Glued something incorrectly? Try carefully separating the pieces or using a solvent to dissolve the glue. Remember, it's all part of the learning process. Embrace the fumbles, learn from your mistakes, and keep on building. Section 8. The joy of creation, why model building matters. In a world of instant gratification and digital distractions, there's something truly special about creating something with your own two hands. Model building, whether it's engines, cars, or airplanes, offers a tangible connection to the creative process. It's about slowing down, focusing on the details, and experiencing the satisfaction of transforming a collection of parts into a complete and functioning object. It's about the joy of learning, the thrill of problem solving, and the pride of accomplishment. And it's something you can share with others. Imagine the look on your friend's face when you show them the miniature engine you built from scratch. It's a conversation starter, a source of pride, and a testament to the power of human ingenuity. Section 9. Ready, set, build. So there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of engine model assembly. It's a hobby that's both challenging and rewarding, educational and entertaining. It's a chance to unleash your inner engineer, to exercise your creative muscles, and to experience the joy of creation. So what are you waiting for? Grab a model engine kit, gather your tools, and get ready to embark on an exciting journey of discovery and creation. Trust me, once you experience the satisfaction of building your own miniature engine, you'll be hooked.